audience, today I Shahriyar Sushan is here to explain what is abstract art and why is it famous all over the world, from American artists till French artists and Leonardo da Vinci, from Leonardo da Vinci till Henri Matisse. How they create these amazing, marvelous pieces of art and how one can express themselves in their expression in through colors, and how we can predict the futurism and the abstract pieces in the abstract art. Fascinating introduction. Dear audience, so let us start with a wordy definition of abstract art. So what actually is abstract art? Abstract art is the art that does not attempt to represent the accurate description of a visual reality, but instead it uses shapes, colors and other marks and artistic gestures to create an effect that is striking and grabs attention of the viewers towards it. Perplexing elaboration. Dear audience, now let me explain why abstract art is famous all around the world, from Italy to France. It is because it has a dynamic feeling inside it, and it is so amazingly awe-inspiring that it catches the viewer's attention in just seconds. Now, let's meet Leonardo da Vinci. Dear audience, now Leonardo da Vinci was one of the greatest Italian polymath of high resistance, whose work is widely considered all over the world, and he is renowned to be one of the greatest painters of all time. Despite fewer than 25 of his paintings survived, the Mona Lisa is one of the most famous of Leonardo da Vinci's work. Leonardo da Vinci was not only a great painter, but he was a scientist as well. I must say he was a phenomenal scientist that bridged the gap between the unscientific medieval methods and the scientific methodology we use today. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the great dreamers who will be remembered forever, and his work is truly unfathomable and beyond words. Dear audience, now we are here in France to meet Henri Matisse. He was a French artist known for both his color and his fluid and his original draftsmanship. He was a draftsman, paintmaker and a sculptor, but is known primarily as a painter. Matisse is commonly regarded, along with Pablo Picasso, as one of the artists who best helped define the revolutionary developments in the visual arts, although opening the decades of the 20th century. He and Pablo Picasso are responsible for significant developments in painting and sculpture. What I see and analyze from the work of Henri Matisse, that he has left no negative space, and he has really creative and innovative backgrounds that are enhancing the beauty of the positive space as well. I believe that Henri Matisse made the impossible possible. Dear audience, now let me end my perplexing elaboration session with a quote said by Henri Matisse: "Creativity takes courage." Anecdotal time. Did you know that abstraction is the modern art which does not represent images of our everyday world? It has color, lines and shapes, but they are not intended to represent objects or living things. Often, artists were influenced by the ideas and philosophies of abstraction. Abstract art is found in paintings and in sculptures. Unique miscellaneous knowledge. Dear audience, now we are here to explore the immutable knowledge which cannot come in any category. So, in the Muslim world, even abstract art is appreciated. The Muslims use calligraphy and a combination of distortion to create abstract art, which is also very fascinating. A sensation for you. Dear audience, today's session for you is which artist is Angi Mutius commonly regarded with, and let me tell you a hint that Angi Mutius and that artist revolutionized the 21st century. Dear audience, I will request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little dingy bell so you get notified for all my videos, hit the thumbs up button and keep following, keep watching. Thank you.